Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the uh, next part of the chapter, knowing our numbers. So moving on, this is the part 2 video of this chapter, and the first topic in this video would be 1.2.2 shifting digits. Have you thought what fun it would be if the digits in a number could shift, that is, move from one place to the other? Think about what would happen to 182. It could become as large as 821 and as small as 128. Try this with 391 as well. Okay, they have told us to try with 391. How can we write 391? Just think about it. So over here I have written 391, that is 391. 391 can be written as 931 or 139. In this case 931 is the greatest number and 139 is the smallest number. Over here I have just swapped the hundreds place to ones place and ones place to hundred place to get these two numbers alternately. Now think about this. Take any 3-digit number and exchange the digit at the hundreds place with the digit at the ones place. Is the new number greater than the former one? Is the new number smaller than the former number? So let's see. So here I am taking $795 and $597 itself. So if we write, before it is 795, after exchanging the first and the third tiles we get 597. So we can say that if you exchange the first and the third tiles, that is the digits, in which case does the number become greater? In which case does it become smaller? Try this with a 4-digit number. Try this with a 4-digit number is given to you guys to understand this concept. Moving on to the next concept. Next concept is 1.2.3, introducing 10,000. So we know that beyond 99 there is no 2-digit number, right? So we can say that 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Similarly, the greatest 3-digit number is 999 and the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. So what we will get when we add 1 to 9999? Let's check. We get, so 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carry. Over here 9 plus 1 is 10, 1 carried, so 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, 11. 9 plus 1 is 10, 1, 11. This is nothing but when I rechecked, I have done some fault. We get, when we add 9999, we get 10,000 when we add 9999 to 1. So we can write 10,000 as 10 into 1000, right? So we can write 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000, which is equal to 10 into 1000. So from this we can draw some conclusions. First conclusion is that we observe that greatest single digit number plus 1 is equal to the smallest 2-digit number, and greatest 2-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 3-digit number. Similarly, greatest 3-digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 4-digit number. How can we write this numerically? We know that greatest single digit number is 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we get the smallest 2-digit number, and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. So we get 100, that is smallest 3-digit number when we add 99 and 1. Similarly, when we add 999 plus 1, we get 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number. We should then expect that on adding 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, we would get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000, right? So the new number which comes next to 9999 is nothing but 10,000. It is called 10,000 in words they have written. So we can say, as I have already written in the previous page itself, that 10,000 is nothing but it is equal to 10 times 1000. Next topic is 1.2.4, revisiting place value. You have done this quite earlier, and you will certainly remember the expansion of a 2-digit number like 78 as 78 is equal to nothing but 70 plus 8, which is equal to 7 into 10 plus 8. Similarly, you will remember the expansion of 3-digit number like 278 as given here, which is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 8, which is equal to 2 times 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8, right? So we say here 8 is at 1's place, and 7 is at 10's place, and 2 is at 100's place. Later on we extended this idea to 4-digit number. For example, 5278 can be written as 5000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 8. This can be rewritten as 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8, where 8 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, 2 is at 100's place, and 5 is at 1000's place. With now we have 10,000. So we can write the number 10,000 known to us. We may extend the idea further. We may write 5-digit numbers like 45,278. So we know that 4 times 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8. I will give you the idea how to write this quickly. We have to just count the digits. Here we have 5 digits. So the last is units place, the second last is tens place. Similarly, moving from right to left, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. So in this manner we can easily remember the order of the numbers, so that we can easily write the expansion. We say that here 8 is at 1's place, 7 is at 10's place, 2 is at 100's place, and 5 at 1000's place, and we have 4 at 10,000's place. The number is read as 45,278. Now, shall we write the smallest and greatest 5-digit number? So the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, and similarly the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. So let's move on to the try this exercise. Read and expand the numbers wherever there are blanks. Over in all these four questions, all are already solved. So let's move to the unsolved part, which we have to solve. So here if we see the first one is 89,324. So here it is already solved. So keeping this as example, let's solve the unsolved questions. So the first unsolved question is 50,000. We know it is easy. The number name would be 50,000. Let's see its expansion. Its expansion would be just 5 into, we know that 50,000 is nothing but ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So 5 into 10,000 we have to write. So thus this is the expansion of 50,000. Moving on to the next question. The next question is 41,000. We know the number name would be 41,000. And its expansion would be 41 into so we can write 41,000's expansion would be, we know that 4 is in 10,000's place, so we can write 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1000, which is 40,000 plus 1000, which is nothing but 41,000. Next question is 47,300. 47,300 can be written as 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 3 into 100. The number name is written as 47,300. Moving on to the next question. Next question is 57,630. So in number names we have written as 57,630. This can be written in its expanded form as, so we can write 57,630 as 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10. The next question is 29,485. So we can write its number name as 29,485. Its expansion can be written as 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is the expansion of 29,485. Next question is 29,085. I have written here the number name. The number name is 29,000 and we have to write along with this 85. There is no thousands place, there is only 10,000's place, so we have to write directly, and there is no hundreds place as well, so we can directly write 29,085. Now the expansion of 29,085 would be 2 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1000. There is no hundreds place, so we can directly write as 8 into 10 for 80 plus 5. This is the expansion of 29,085. Next is 20,005. So 20,005. This is the number name, and we can write 20,005 as 2 into 10,000 plus 5, because there are no hundreds place, thousands place and tens place. So this is the expansion. So we can write 5 as 5 into 1. So 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1 is the expansion of 20,005. Write 5 more digit numbers, read them and expand them. So this is the activity given to you, students. Next topic is 1.2.5. 1.2.5, introducing 1 lakh. So which is the greatest 5 digit number? It is nothing but 99,999. Adding 1 to the greatest 5 digit number should give the smallest 6 digit number, which is nothing but 1 lakh. So 1 lakh comes next to 99,999, which can be written as 10 times 10,000. So 10 into 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh. We may now write 6 digit numbers in the expanded form, as here they have given the number 2,46,853. So we can write this as 2 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So in this number we can say that 3 is at 1's place, 5 is at 10's place, 8 is at 100's place, 6 at 1000's place and 4 at 10,000's place and 2 is at lakh's place. Its number name would be 2,46,853. It is given over here. Moving on. Here there is a try this exercise given. Read and expand the numbers wherever there are blanks. So the first 3 numbers are already done for us. First number is 3 lakh. The number name is written. So we can write 3 lakh as 3 into 1 lakh. Similarly, we can write 3,50,000 as 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000. 3,53,500 as 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 5 into 100. Next one we have to answer 4,57,928. So let's write the number name. We can write number name as 4 lakh 57,928. This is the answer for this number. Moving on. So the next question is 4,07,928. I have written the number name 4,07,000. There is no 10,000's place, so we can directly write 7,928. So 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 is the expansion for the number 4,07,928. Moving on. So we can write 4,829 as the number name would be 4,800. So 4 lakh, there is no thousands place or even 10,000s place. So we can directly write 829. So the expansion would be 4 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Moving on to the next number. The next number is 4,29,000. So there is no hundreds place also and thousands and 10,000s place. So we can directly write as, so number is 4,29,000. We can write this as 4,29,000. The expansion would be 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10 plus 9. This is the answer for this question. Moving on. The next topic in this chapter is 1.2.6 larger numbers. If we add one more to the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number. It is called as 10 lakh. Write down the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. Write the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. So, they have first asked, we have to write the greatest 6-digit number. It is nothing but that is 9,99,999. This is the greatest 6-digit number. So the smallest 7-digit number would be 10 lakhs. So the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakhs. Now we have to write the greatest 7-digit number and smallest 8-digit number. So the greatest 7-digit number would be, this is smallest 7-digit number. So similarly we can write 99 lakh 99,999. This is the greatest 7-digit number. Now let us write smallest 8-digit number, which is nothing but next it is 100 lakhs which is nothing but 1 crore. This is the smallest 8-digit number, which is nothing but 1 crore. Here it is already given that the smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. Now we have to complete the pattern given over here. We know that 9 plus 1 is 10, 99 plus 1 is 100, and similarly 999 plus 1 is 1000. 9999 is 10,000. 99,999 is 5 zeros, that is 1 lakh. Next, 9,99,999 plus 1 is 10 lakhs. Next is 99 lakhs 99,999 plus 1 is 1 crore. So here they have given a table which we have to remember. We know we have to remember that 100 is nothing but 10 tens, 1000 is 10 hundreds or 100 tens, 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands or 1000 hundreds. Similarly, 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs, or 1 crore is equal to, we can write it as 10,000 thousands. Now we shall move to the next part. Next, we have they have given the another try these problem questions to be done. So first question is, what is 10 minus 1? We know that 10 minus 1 is 9, so the answer is 9. Second question is, what is 100 minus 1? We know it is 99. Next they have asked, what is 10,000 minus 1? It is 9,999. Fourth is, what is 1 lakh minus 1? It is 99,999. Fifth question is, what is 1 crore minus 1? It is nothing but 99 lakh 99,999. This is the answer for fifth question. Moving on. We come across large numbers in different many situations. For example, while the number of children in your class would be a 2-digit number, the number of children in your school would be a 3 or 4-digit number. The number of people in the nearby town would be much larger. Is it a 5 or 6 or 7-digit number? Do you know the number of people in your state? How many digits would that number have? What would be the number of grains in a sack full of wheat? A 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, or more? So here we are getting crazy about numbers, right? So with this concept, they have given another try this exercise. The first question is, give 5 examples where the number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. So we know that 6-digit numbers means it is mostly the smallest 6-digit number is lakhs. If we have to write any 5 things, 5 examples for it can be population, number of population in our state, first thing. Second, it can be microorganisms present around us. And the third one, it could be the data about birth rates, births or birth rates. And fourth, it could be number of deaths or death rates. In our country, not at least in one particular state. So we can write fourth as third as number of births in our state. Fourth, it can be number of births in our country. Fifth, we can say that uh, number of cells in our body. So hence we have solved the first question. Second question. So starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in the descending order. So last I mentioned the cells in our body, and next I have mentioned birth, number of births in our country, and then births in state, and then about microorganisms around us. So just write the previous answer from last to first. That's the answer for the second question. Third question is starting from the smallest 8-digit number. Write the next 5 numbers in ascending order and read them. So starting from the smallest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Write the next 5 numbers in ascending order. So next 5 numbers would be 1 crore 5, 1 0 0. Here it should be 5 numbers. So first would be 1 crore 1. Next it would be 1 crore 2. Next it would be 1 crore 3. Next it would be 1 crore 4. And next it would be 1 crore 5. This is the first order. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the ascending order. So 1 crore 1, 1 crore 2, 1 crore 3, 1 crore 4 and 1 crore 5. This is the ascending order and I have just read it for you. Moving on to the next. The next topic is 1.2.7, an aid in reading and writing large numbers. Try reading the following numbers. First number is, so we can read easily by inserting commas. So I'm just inserting commas in all these numbers from last. So here there would be 1 comma and here it would be 1 comma. So it is 2,79,453. The next B is B is 50,000, sorry, 50 lakhs. It is 50 lakhs 35,472. Next C is from last three, after last three numbers insert one, and after that after every two numbers we have to insert the commas. So we can, so this is 15, so it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So it is 15 lakh. No. So I think I somewhere wrongly inserted the commas. So now I have inserted it correctly. Just see it to it. It is nothing but 15 crores 27 lakhs and 375. So it is nothing but 15 crores 27 lakhs 375. The D part is, so it is I am writing over here. It is thousands, 10,000s, it is lakhs, and this is crores. So 4 crore 3 lakhs 50,894. This was the last number D. Was it difficult? It would have been difficult if we have inserted the commas wrongly. So did you find it difficult to keep track? So we have found the method of inserting the commas so that we can easily track the numbers and write and read it correctly. Sometimes it helps to use indicators to read and write large numbers. Shagufta uses indicators which help her read and write large numbers. Her indicators are also useful in writing the expansion of numbers. For example, she identifies the digits in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place in 257 by writing them under the tables O, T, and H as. Under H it is given as 2, under T it is 5, and under O it is 7. So it is hundreds place is 2, tens place it is 5, and ones place it is 7. So its expansion can be written as 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Similarly, for 2902 we can write it as 2 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus there is no tens place, so we can write it as 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1. One can extend this idea to numbers up to lakh as seen in the following table. Let us call them placement boxes. Fill the entries in the blanks left. Now we have given with an exercise to be completed. So the first question is, the number is given as 7,34,543. There is no 10th lakh place, so it is left blank. Under lakhs place it is 7, 10,000 it is 3, 1,000 it is 4, hundreds place it is 5, tens place it is 4, and ones place it is 3. The number name is 7,34,543. 543. Now we have to write its expansion since it is left blank. So it is blank, so we can write 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3. This is the expansion for this number. The next question is, the number given is 32,75,829. So in 10 lakhs place it is 3, and in a lakhs place it is 2, 10,007, 1,005. So in hundreds place it is 8, tens place it is 2, ones place it is 9. Here in case of number name it is left blank and the expansion is already given in the table. So hence we have to fill the number name column. So let's write. First it is 32 lakh. So 32 lakh 75,000 829. So 829. This is the number name for this number. 32 lakh 75,829. Moving on. Similarly, we may include numbers up to crore as shown below. So the first is given as 2 crore 57 lakhs 34,543. Over here, the number name column is not filled, that is it is empty, so we have to write the number name. So we have to write as 2 crore I am writing it shortly. So it is 2 crore 57 lakhs 34,543. This is R 43. So I am repeating it again. I am reading it. 2 crore 57 lakhs 34,543. This is the number name for this number. For the next number, it is already done. It is 65 crore 32 lakhs 75,829. It is already filled. You can make other formats of tables for writing the numbers in expanded form. Next concept, before moving to the next concept, there is a sub-concept, that is use of commas. You must have noticed that in writing large numbers in the sections above, we have often used commas. Commas helps us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after the hundreds place, that is 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that is 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000's place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after the another 2 digits, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marks crore. For example, here we can write 5 crore 8 lakh 1592. Here we can say 3 crore 32 lakh 40,781. Similarly, the third number 7 crore 27 lakh 5,062. Try reading the numbers given above. Write 5 more numbers in this form and read them. So while writing number names, we do not use commas. This is an important note which has to be noted down. Till now we have written numbers and number names in terms of Indian system of numeration. Now we are going to study about international system of numeration. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is a thousand thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. For example, the number over here we have given a number. It is read as, in the international system, it is read as 50,801,592. In the Indian system, we can read it as 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. How many lakhs make a million? How many millions make a, how many lakhs make a million? We can write as 100 lakhs. Hundred lakhs make a million. Similarly, for next question, it is how many millions make a crore? It is nothing but 10 millions make a crore. Take 3 large numbers, express them in both Indian and international numeration systems. Interesting fact. To express numbers larger than a million, a billion is used. So, if a number is larger than a million, a billion is used in the international system of numeration, and it is given here as 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. Do you know India's population increased by about 27 million during 1921 to 1931? 37 million, 44 million, and 17 million. How much was the increase in population during 1991 to 2001? Try to find out. Do you know what is India's population today? Try to find this too. This is an activity given to students. Please try to collect the data, students, and find out the answer. Now, moving on, try these. Exercises are given. First question is, read these numbers, write them using placement boxes, and then write their expanded forms. First number is here they have not given which type of numeration we have to consider. But we have just now studied the international system of numeration. So let us go with that form itself, of numeration itself. So we have to insert after 3 digits commas first. So I'm before 3 there should be a comma, and that's all. So now we can say that 475,000, if we take in case of Indian system, it would be 4,75,320. It would be, expansion would be 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus, that's it, there is no other number. So this would be the expanded form for this number. So the number name would be, here they have not asked to write the number name. We have to just write them using the placement boxes. So we can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So in ones place it is 0, tens place it is 2, hundreds place it is 3, thousands place it is 5, 10,000s place it is 7, and in lakhs place it is 4. So it is 4,75,320. This is for the first number. Similarly, we can write for the next number. Next number is it is 98,47,215. So it is in 10 lakhs place it is 9, lakhs place it is 8, 10,000s place it is 4, thousands place it is 7, hundreds place it is 2, tens place it is 1, and ones place it is 5. Similarly, the next number is So here one number is added, so it would be 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. The next number it would be, so it would be 3 crore 4 lakhs 58,094. So we have written the placement boxes using that placement boxes technique, and we have written there uh, the last one it would be, I have not written the expanded for form for the last two. Let us write that also. It would be, I am writing for fourth. You guys try for the rest. The number expansion would be 3 into 1 crore plus 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 9 into 10 plus 4. So in this we have to find which is the smallest number. Simple. The number which has the very least number of digits will be the smallest number. Let us check with the number of digits for each of these. The first number it is 1, 2, 3. So it is 4,75,320, right? So it has 6 digits. In this case it has 7 digits. The next it has 8 digits. In the fourth this number is also having 8 digits. So we know that a number this is the least number. So uh, for the question A, which is the smallest number, 1, that is 4,75,320 is the smallest number. So that is the answer for A. For B, which is the greatest number, when we compare 3 and 4, because both the numbers 3 and 4 are having the same number of digits, but when we check their places in the croreth place of crore, it is 9 and it is 3 over here. We know very well that 9 crore is more than 3 crores. So hence we can say that third number, that is 9,76,45,310 is the greatest number. Now we are done with the second, that is B part as well. Now we have to write uh, these numbers in ascending and descending orders. So in case of ascending order, for one, so first number is first, second number is second, and this is third number, and this is fourth number. And similarly, in case of descending number, we have to write third number as first, fourth number as second, and second number as third, and first number as 4. That is, I have mentioned the places after which it should be done. Next question is, read these numbers, and after reading this, write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as international system of numeration. Arrange these in ascending and descending order. And in third question, take 3 more groups of large numbers and do the exercise given above. So third question is given to you guys. So do it as an activity. So I am doing the second question for you. Second question, first part, it is 5,27,864. The next second number is 95,432. And the third number is 1,89,50,049. Fourth number is 7,02,509. I have written these numbers now in the Indian system of numeration. Now I am going to write these numbers according to international system of numeration. The first number we have to so it is 527,864. Similarly, we can say that we can write in Indian method as, after inserting the commas, we can say this as 5,27,864. Moving on to the second number, it is 95,432. In both the cases, that is in case of Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Moving on to the third number, 18950049. So according to Indian system of numeration, we can say that this is thousand, this is lakh, and this is crore. So it is 1 crore 89 lakhs 50,000 49. I repeat again, 1 lakh 89. Sorry, I repeat again, 1 crore 89 lakh 50,000 49. 1 crore 89 lakh 50,000 49. If we say the same number in international system, we have to insert commas after three numbers. So we can say now that it is 18,950,049. Moving on to the next number, that is fourth number. So it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, it is crore. So it is 7 crore 2,509. This is in case of Indian system of numeration. Similarly, if we take into consideration of international system, we can say that it is 70,002,509. Now after this, we have to arrange these in ascending and descending order. As usual, the same trick which we use here in the second number, that is 9,500 and sorry, it is 95,432. This has the least number of digits, so it is the smallest number. So I am writing the ascending order. This is the first number, and after that we have to write 5,27,864. This is the second number. This is first and this is second. And the third number would be, just count the digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Over here it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So both have the same number of digits. So we know that 18 is less than 70, so we can directly write third number is 1 crore 89 lakhs 50,049. The last number would be 7 crore 25,000. So it is 7 crore. This is lakhs is 0. So it is 2,509. So this is the fourth number. This is the ascending order. So similarly, if we write from the last, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. Just remember the order which I have numbered over here. This would be the descending order. Take 3 more groups of large numbers and do the exercise given above. This is given for you students, so please do it. The next is, can you help me write the numeral? To write the numeral for a number, you can follow the boxes again. 42,70,008. So we know that 42 lakh 70,008. So 42 lakh, it is 70,000. So in ones place it is 8. There is no tens, there is no hundreds. So there is no thousands, it is directly 10,000s. So 42 lakh 70,008. So this is the answer for A. Similarly, we shall write for B also. It is 2 crore 90 lakh 55,800. So for B, the answer is 2 crore 90 lakh 55,800. Similarly for C, 7 crore 60,055. So 7 crore, there is no lakh, so 0. 60,000, there is no 100, there is no 10. Okay, it is 55, so there is 10, so it is 55. So it is 7 crore no lakh 60,055. So this is the answer for C part. Now here we have a try these exercise. First question is, you have the following digits 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, 8. Using them 5 numbers. Okay, we have to make 5 numbers each with 6 digits. A, put commas for easy reading, and the B part is arrange them in ascending and descending order. Okay. First question, the digits are 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, 8. We have to make 5 numbers. So we can write 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, 8 as one number. The next one would be 5, 6, 0, 7, 8, 4. The next one would be 6, 0, 7, 8, 4, 5. The next one would be 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 0. The last number would be 8, 4, 5, 6, 0, 7. So I have made 5 numbers with each having 6 digits. So I have written them already in ascending order. So we have to put commas for easy reading. So it first number is 4,56,078. Second number is 5,60,784. Next number is 6,07,845. And next number is 7,84,560. And the last number is 8,45,607. So this is the order of ascending order. So when we write from last to first, we would be getting the descending order. So the order of descending order is 8,45,607, 7,84,560, 6,07,845, 5,60,784, 4,56,078. This is the order for the descending order. Moving on to the second question. Take the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make any three numbers each with 8 digits. Put commas for easy reading. Okay, let us try this also. So here the number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? But they have asked us to write three numbers with 8 digits. So we can repeat any 2 digits, right? So we can write as 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5 as one number. The other two numbers would be so I randomly made three numbers. So I'm reading it. First, before reading, I'm inserting commas. So it is 4 crore 56,007. It is 4 crore 56 lakhs 78,945. The second number is 5 crore 67 lakhs 89,454. The last number is 6 crores 78 lakhs 95,544. Moving to the third question. The third question is, from the digits 304, make 5 numbers each with 6 digits. Use commas. So I have written over here the 5 numbers which are mostly possible with 6 digits. I am just reading it and explain you how to read with inserting commas. First one, it is 3,04,304, and the second number over here nearby, it is 3,34,400. The next number is 4,00,000 4,43,304, and next is 4,43,300. Last number is 4,30,430. So these are the 5 numbers made with 6 digits. So here I want to share a note. No number can start with 0. If it starts with 0, 0 is not taken into account. Hence, I have not started any number with 0. Next is exercise 1.1. First question, fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to how many 10,000? So we know that 1 lakh is written like this. So it is actually equal to 10 times 10,000. So we can write that 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. The answer is 10. Similarly, 1 million is equal to how many 100,000? The second question B is 1 million is equal to dash, that is blank, 100,000. So it is, we know that 1 million is written like this. From this we can say this is 1000, this is 100, 1 times 100. So we can write it as 10 100,000. Right? So it is 10 100,000. So similarly, 1 crore, how can we equate is to 10 lakh? This is 1000, this is 10,000. So it is 1 crore is equal to 10 lakh. Similarly, 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. So all the answers are 10. Just it is trickier. The next question is, place commas correctly and write the numerals. A. 73,75,307. We have to insert commas and write the numbers. Numerals means numbers. So A is 73 lakh. Next it is 75,307. This is the answer for 2A. Next, moving to 2B. It is 9 crore 5 lakh 49. So 9 crore, no lakhs, so 00. No thousand, no 10,000, no thousand. Hundreds, no hundreds, it is just 49. So it is 9 crore. Okay, it is 5 lakh, right? So it would be 05. So 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So this is the answer, 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Moving on to the C part, it is 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Done. 7 crore 52 lakh 21,302. 302. Moving to D part, 58,423,202. So this is the answer for D part. Moving to E, 23 lakh 30,000 no hundred it is 10. So 23 lakh 30,010. This is the answer for E part, 2E. So second question is done. Moving on to the third question. In that A part, insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. So the number is 87595762. So it is 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. This is the answer for the number name. 8 crore 75 lakh 95,762. Moving on to the B part. B part is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So it is 9 crore 5 lakh there is no thousands, no 141. So 9 lakh. So 2B is 9 crore 5 lakh and 41. This is the correct answer for 2B. 2C is 7 crore 52 lakhs 21,302. Similarly, we can also write for 2D and 2E. The solutions of 2D and 2E are as follows.